Hi guys, the first few minutes decide how she's going to treat you, not later, right then. And that decision happens fast. You don't earn seriousness after 3 dates. You set it the second you start talking. And it's never some big dramatic mistakes that changes things. It's actually small behavior. You walk up, start the conversation, she teases you a little bit, and you laugh a little bit too hard and awkwardly. She questions something you say, you explain yourself. She cuts you off, you stop talking. None of that feels huge in the moment, but it adds up fast. Women pay attention to stability. They're watching how you handle tiny little shifts in energy. If you're seeing yourself in that pattern right now and you're realizing this isn't about one mistake, but about how you're showing up across the board, that's exactly what Attraction Secrets goes into. It breaks down how to build that weight into your presence so the cycle stops repeating itself. The link is in the description. You ever wonder how some guys don't do much, but nobody talks over them? They don't fight for attention. They don't rush. They don't overcorrect themselves mid-sentence. They're just solid. And people adjust around that. That's what you're building. Let's start with your pace. If you talk too fast, it reads as nervous. If you rush through your point because silence feels awkward, she picks up on that immediately. You have to slow down a little bit. Finish your thought. If there's a pause after you speak, let that silence sit. You don't need to fill it. Guys who are comfortable with silence usually set the tone. Now let's talk about reactions. This is where a lot of dynamics start to shift. She says something slightly challenging. So you're pretty confident, huh? You don't need to downplay that. Just say, yeah, I am. And then keep going. No explanation, no speech about why. Just own it and then move forward. When she interrupts you, don't escalate it. Don't get louder. Just finish what you were saying like you were always going to. That alone changes how she responds next time. Eye contact also matters more than people like to admit. If you keep glancing away while you're talking, it lowers your weight. When you're speaking, look at her. Not in some dramatic way. Just don't break first out of a nervous habit. You'll notice she adjusts her posture when you hold solid. Decisions are another fast signal. If you say, we should go somewhere, it feels uncertain. If you say, we'll go here, it feels different. Same exact plan, different tone. You don't have to bark orders here. You just need to sound like you already know what you want. Attention control is huge. If she takes 2 hours to reply, you don't suddenly reply in 10 seconds trying to regain momentum. If she slows down, you don't speed up. You match the tempo. A lot of guys lose seriousness because they panic the second the energy dips, but you don't panic. You keep moving like you are already busy. Humor is another trap.
You ever get the feeling that she's got the upper hand and you're just left guessing? It's not in your head. Women use subtle tricks to get what they want. I put together a free guide on these dark psychological tactics that women play so you can finally see through the games and stop feeling powerless. Go ahead and click the link to download it now and take back your control.
You can joke, but you don't let yourself become the punchline. If she says something that slightly lowers you, don't nervously laugh it off. Look at her, keep your composure, then continue the conversation. That small pause speaks so much louder than a comeback. Posture, this one's simple. If your shoulders are collapsing inward and you're fidgeting nonstop, she reads that before she even hears anything that comes out of your mouth. Stand upright, relaxed, and grounded. Not stiff, just not shrinking. Validation has to be controlled. If she looks good, you say it once. You don't need to repeat it 3 different ways. If she says something impressive, acknowledge it and then move on. Overdoing praise makes your attention feel cheap. And here's the real thing guys don't even catch. If you're internally thinking, I hope this goes well, she senses it. It shows in how fast you respond. It shows in how often you adjust your tone of voice. It shows in how quickly you try to fix any awkward moment that doesn't go your way. When you're operating from standards instead of hope, your behavior changes because you're not trying to win her over. You're seeing if she fits into your life. That shift is subtle, but women feel it immediately. When that tone is set early, she interrupts less. She listens longer. She responds differently because now she's engaging with someone who carries weight. Seriousness isn't about acting cold. It's about being solid. And once it's established in the first few minutes, it's very hard for her to shift the dynamic away from it. And if you're tired of being the guy who gets talked over, tested, or dismissed without even knowing why, Attraction Secrets shows you how to fix that at the root so it doesn't keep repeating. If you're serious about being treated differently and making that shift stick, the link is in the description. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.